AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Practice Tests. MyExamCloud Study Plan. 23 full-length mock exams. 2 free trial exams. 1 free trial flashcard quiz. 5 flashcard quiz exams. Objective and random tests. Take exam in practice or learning mode. Read answers with brief explanations in ebook format. Access course content from mobile app or web browser. 1,400 plus questions. Questions are grouped based on exam topics. Plan, practice, achieve dashboard. Set goals for your Cloud Practitioner exam preparation. Set study plan for your Cloud Practitioner course contents. Practice until you reach your target. Take objective and random tests. Take real exam with more confidence. Join MyExamCloud and take free AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner practice test now.